Hey everyone, welcome back to Bone Force Studios. You know, I'm super excited to be here. Today I'm going to start painting a chibi, a Venom chibi. Well, why you say? Well, it's good practice. It's good practice. First of all, I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I want to give a good shout out to the old turkeys that took one for the team out there. And I hope everybody sticks around, watches the video. I'm going to show a couple clips at the beginning, so bear with me, and we'll get her going. I kind of cheated a little bit, but this is where I'm at. I had to drill a hole right here. There was some resin. I could still smell resin. So I had a hole there, but it was too small. So I ended up having to drill it. So now I'm going to have to touch this up, fix this. Oops. But this is where I'm at so far. I just did some dry brushing on this rock and then airbrushed it and then airbrushed this green on here, and then I took a lighter green and dry brushed on top of this. So today I'm going to touch up this hole, and these little arms right here, or not arms, it's basically what Venom's made of, this stuff here. So yeah, I'm going to be painting these and fixing this a little bit, but this is what I got so far. I like this color, how it looks real vibrant. It's like ooze. Later on I'll be taking an airbrush and I will be spraying around here to give it that glow effect. So yeah. So now that I got all this white, so what I'm doing actually, I painted all this white inside here because it's going to be red. So in order for, I want the red to pop, not be so much dark. So I painted it white. That way when I paint the red on there, it's gonna make it brighter. So I went ahead and painted all this white. Like his gums and all that is red, his tongue is red, and his teeth, I'm gonna make ivory white. His teeth are gonna be actually, this Vallejo ivory. This is what I'm gonna be using for his teeth. And for the red, I'm going to be using this Wicked color, which is some of my airbrush paint. But I like it because it's so thin. I don't want I want it solid, but kind of transparent in a sense. I'm just trying something new, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from here. But this is him so far. And we'll keep painting. Okay, so back to painting the mini Venom chibi. This is where I'm at so far. So last time I got, let me move that mic. Last time I got the mouth painted, like I said, I did white underneath it because I wanted the red to be really bright. And that's basically where I'm at. The teeth I did in ivory. Today I'm going to be painting the eyes. I believe I'm going to use the ivory also. I don't want plain white because I think it'd be too bright. So I'm going to be using the ivory on that. I'm going to paint that. And on the chest, he's got like this little, you can see right there, it's like a spider looking thing that goes across his chest. I'm going to be painting that too also in the ivory. The arms, I'll show you the arms. The arms I did the veins on his arms. That was fun. But yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. But I did purple on his veins. I did it also on his, here's the other arm. This is the other arm. You get it to zoom. Like right there, you can see it up by his hand. Oop, up by his hand. Got that. And the same thing with his legs. I got his legs, the veins painted on his legs. And today we are going to be painting, I'm going to be finishing him up with the eyes and the chest piece. And that should be pretty close to being it. So here we go. Okay, folks, I got the Venom chibi all painted up, and before I show him the final review, I just want to give a shout out to Zez Studios, where I bought the file. So if you're into 3D printing, go check them out. I just want to throw out there, this is not a paid video by no means. I paid with my own money. So this Venom chibi was my first 3D print ever. And the experience from printing something to putting it together, as in sanding, fitting all the pieces together, to priming it and then painting it, it's badass. It's really cool. That just lets me know that I can find stuff out there that I like and print it and paint it. It's just really cool. It's I wouldn't say, yeah, it's like a satisfactory kind of thing. But anyways, I'm super excited for this. I'm excited for the next one I'm going to do. So stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. And without further ado, here's the review.